The cost of Shiba Inu is about to skyrocket this evening. Amazing Shib news, with new coins and tokens routinely entering the market, like Shiba Inu and the introduction of Shibarium. Cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more well-liked and accepted. An upcoming Layer 2 or L2 blockchain network called Shibarium was created for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu will evolve from a meme coin into a full ecosystem as a result. We shall talk about Shiba Inu in this video. The cost will soon double this evening. Amazing Shib news. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu has established itself as a notable meme coin and earned a spot among the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market valuation. The group behind Shib has kept the development of its many projects moving forward steadily. The Shib ecosystem is well known for its illustrious milestones and landmark accomplishments. One of the most recent achievements was when Binance announced on April 18 that Shiba Inu would no longer be allowed in the innovation zone. The largest cryptocurrency exchange recently revealed its decision to remove Shiba Inu from the innovation zone along with other tokens, including Frax Share, Trust Wallet Token, and 1inch, according to the specifics of a recent announcement. In an announcement made on April 18, Binance stated that the innovation zone was created to provide users with a secure environment in which to exchange cutting-edge projects. Some of these initiatives may have gained credibility and attained the high standards we demand over time. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove Shib and several other tokens from the innovation zone after giving it due consideration. After Binance conducted reviews based on different parameters, Shib reached this milestone. So, in an effort to stress test the network, someone wrote a script for the creation of millions of wallets. The number of hosted wallets on PuppyNet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, has increased recently, piquing interest in the reason for the sudden increase. Recent leaks claim that a script was used to create millions of wallets in order to stress test the network. In a recent tweet, a team member of shibaswap, a Shiba Inu-based NFT project, revealed that they had written a script that created over 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and processed over 3 million transactions on the test network. The team member continued by saying that they were also in charge of creating roughly 1620 tokens for the test network. These tokens include DAO SPAO, shibaswap, and shibaswap token SPPX. According to data from PuppyScan, the official block explorer for PuppyNet, the network currently has an amazing 13.3 million wallet addresses and over 3.47 million transactions. Recall that in the last 2 days alone, the number of wallets increased by 86% and reached 5 million. This extraordinary surge was caused by this script. The test network's goal is to give interested parties the chance to run various tests on the network to confirm its dependability and efficacy before it is launched on the main network. All activity, tokens, and transactions seen on the testnet are only for testing reasons and are not actual transactions, as Satoshi Kusama has frequently highlighted. It is a commendable attempt to create a script that can create millions of test network wallets because it can help assess the blockchain's scalability and effectiveness. Additionally, it can aid in the detection of any potential flaws or bugs that might emerge throughout the process. For determining the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. The authors of the script said that their goal was to assess the network's capacity to handle high-traffic circumstances, such as games and airdrops. To evaluate the network's transaction time, robustness, and other characteristics, they also proposed running an airdrop script and other testing. No bugs have been reported as of yet. The ship burning in March so far have been extremely impressive. In 540 transactions in March, 6.78 billion SHIB tokens were burnt. Thus, compared to the previous months, both the total number of ships destroyed and the number of transactions both showed a considerable increase. The amount destroyed in March was the most since 2433 transactions, totaling 9.5 billion SHIB, occurred in October 2022. Over 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 transactions yesterday, according to the Shib burn tracker, with 25.31 million coming from a single wallet. This biggest transaction was made by Coinbase 10, a wallet connected to Coinbase, which sent a massive 25,313,097 Shib to the burn address in one go. In comparison to the previous day's burn rate of 293 million Shib, this transaction raised the overall burn rate by 11.08%. The futures market is another source of evidence for the upward trend. Shiba Inu has seen an uptick in open interest since the start of March. The indicator represents the quantity of active contracts positions that investors have taken. The number of open futures has surpassed 2.4 trillion Shib, or around $26.78 million, according to CoinGlass data. It was only roughly $18 million a month ago. The rise in open interest shows that traders are becoming more interested in Shib. Early in February, when the Shib price reached its yearly high of $0.591, the OI was $47.3 million. At the time of publication, the Shiba Inu cost $0.83. The Shib price is presently trading in a rising triangle, a continuation pattern, as was discussed on News BTC. With today's decrease to $0, $64 remains. Shib has established a new higher low, so the upward trend is still present. By the end of April, it may be clear whether the bulls or bears have won out. Shiba Inu has started to draw investors' attention recently, as evidenced by the recent surge in open interest for its futures to $2.4 trillion. Tokens $27.51 million on an incline that began a month ago. This upward trend shows a resurgence of demand, raising concerns about a price increase. The entire number of futures contracts that are still open but not settled or closed out by an offsetting trade is referred to as the futures open interest. It basically shows how many active contracts are still being held by market players. When open interest for a particular asset rises exponentially, it typically means that a lot of fresh money is entering the market, and that traders are taking positions in anticipation of price changes. Shiba Inu's open interest has climbed by more than 52% from the low of $18.5 million seen on March 13 to the present level of $27.51 million, according to data from CoinGlass, a futures trading intelligence platform. 2.4 trillion tokens. Shib's open interest and its price movement as the As have a link, as shown by the OI chart. When its OI rises, its price frequently experiences an increase. OI rose to $3.2 trillion. On February 5, tokens were worth $47.3 million. Shib's price increased as a result, reaching its highest value ever that day of $0.527. This season, Shib's OI began to fall after February 5, and the asset's price also started to fluctuate. Open interest is once more experiencing a rise in value after falling to a low on March 13. Investors anticipate that the asset's price will increase accordingly. Shib is once again in demand, as seen by the volume of financial trade. Shiba Inu's volume in finance has been slowly rising every day for the past 4 days after falling to 1.58 trillion shillings on April 8 from its previous high. The total volume for today is 2.44 trillion. Shib is trying to break out of the rising triangle it is now trapped in, despite its current underperformance tokens. The asset is now trading for $1 during the prolonged consolidation period, down $1 in the last 24 hours, but up 0.8% in the previous hour. Shib might go for the $15 highs reached in February if the triangle is broken above. Recent trends indicate that the asset has gained popularity with market players, and an increase in demand could help it achieve its objectives. According to CoinMarketCap's Q1 2023 report, Shib was one of the top 3 assets across all continents in terms of views. The Shiba Inu community has also lately hinted at 2 more notable collaborations, including one with renowned singer Scott Page and an NFT relationship with well-known American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, who would welcome Shibs into his official store. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.